If you need to remove a card from your Telstra account, follow these straightforward steps to do it quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Telstra account. Visit the Telstra website or open the Telstra app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the card you want to remove. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the billing or payment methods section of your account. This is usually found in the account settings or profile area. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the payment methods section, you will see a list of your saved cards. Find the card you wish to remove and select it for further options. Step 4. Remove the card. Look for an option that says remove or delete next to the selected card. Click on it and confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the card is removed from your account. Step 5. Verify removal. After removing the card, double-check the payment methods section to ensure the card is no longer listed. This confirms that the removal process was successful. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily remove a card from your Telstra account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Telstra customer support for assistance.